Just saying the name, Bouclème, makes me feel so fancy. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I got excited on that one and whacked my hanging plant. But today we are doing a one brand wash day featuring the much requested Bouclème. These are products that I have known about for a very long time, but just haven't played around with a whole lot. So I am quite excited to be doing this one brand wash day wherein we use 3 products to wash and style this head of hair so that you have more information as the consumer about whether or not these products may or may not work best for you. If this sounds interesting, if you love the idea of learning more about healthy hair products, styling wavy curly hair, and basically just diving into the hair science, feel free to subscribe and click that notification bell because I would love to see your bright and shining face again here sometime in the future. I'd love to get to hang out with you again. This one brand wash day series has been going on for quite a while now, and y'all seem to be really enjoying it. It seems to be helpful, and that is why I'm here on the internet, to try and be as helpful as humanly possible to you in your healthy hair journey. Before we jump into washing and styling my hair, let's take a quick look at the before hair. All right, let's go. Alrighty guys, kicking off this wash day like we do, getting the hair nice and soaking wet before I grab the Bouclème Curls Redefined Hydrating Hair Cleanser. As you can see, this product is quite runny and it has an interesting color. It's definitely on the more opaque side. As I begin distributing this through my hair and starting to cleanse my scalp, I noticed something interesting. The product completely disappears. This does happen on occasion with low poos, but this was definitely an extreme version of that. Like, I started to try and scrub with this and it was nowhere to be found. So I'm going to grab just a little bit more shampoo and begin the cleansing process. This immediately made my hair feel very squeaky. It was really quite difficult to get my fingers through my hair as I tried to scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingers. There is next to no slip with this shampoo, so I'm doing my best. As you can see, I'm very confused. There is no lather. Where are the bubbles? There's a few right there, but I don't feel any foam, suds, or lather in my hair whatsoever. This is a very unique feeling for a shampoo. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my best, pull the shampoo through the lengths of my hair, and then I'm going to do a second cleanse. Wipe some suds off my forehead and start the second cleanse process. As I'm scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers for the second time, I notice I get a lather. I feel like now I've gotten sufficient shampoo into my hair to remove adequate buildup from my hair. That being said, this is probably the squeakiest clean my hair has felt in a very long time. And I have freshly clarified my hair with a sulfate shampoo. There's something about this shampoo that just really removes everything. Sea salt is high up on the ingredients label, and that kind of makes sense. It makes my hair feel like I've got some sort of sea salt spray in it or something. Anyway, now I'm going to rinse this shampoo out completely, really taking my time as I do so. Again, I'm trying to scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingers as I rinse the shampoo out because that's what I normally do. And I'm having a hard time because my hair is really tangly and really squeaky clean. Next, I'm grabbing the Bouclème Curl Conditioner. Now, what's really cool about this conditioner is it's actually safe to be left in the hair, but that is a double-edged sword. This is the consistency of the conditioner, and here's where the double-edged sword comes in. You can see that as I try and finger detangle my hair with this conditioner, I am struggling. I have noticed that as a general rule, most conditioners that are safe to be left on the hair have less slip than conditioners that are meant to be rinsed out. So I'm working with it, I'm trying, but for whatever reason, my hair and scalp feel extra tender today. I'm going to add just a touch of water to the back of my head and continue finger detangling. Sometimes this helps tangles come out of the hair. If you have soaking wet hair, apply conditioner and then add more water. It can kind of make the conditioner feel more slippery. It did help to some extent, but I'm breaking down. I'm grabbing a little bit more conditioner and finish finger detangling. It took me a while to finger detangle with this conditioner. It was a process, but now that my hair is all detangled, I'm going to grab a nice gentle brush to finish distributing this conditioner through my hair, taking my time to really gently smooth this product from root to tip to make sure that the entirety of my hair strands are adequately conditioned. I'm gonna add just a touch more water to the back of my head and do a nice thorough squish to condition. While I'm doing that, let's take a quick look at the ingredients label of this conditioner. It has a litany of really neat ingredients such as coconut oil, glycerin, aloe leaf juice, linseed oil or flaxseed oil, magnolia leaf oil, marjoram sweet leaf oil, patchouli leaf oil, rosemary leaf oil, bergamot fruit oil, lots of natural essential type oils. Actually, I probably misspoke when I said it was essential oils. Basically, you smell super natural and delicious when you use these products. There are no added fragrances that I can see. It is just the fragrances of the oils in the products and they smell really natural. This is what my curl clumps are looking like now that I've done a good squish to condition. This is looking pretty good. I've had better, I've had worse. Curl clumps are decently juicy. I am seeing some wet frizz, but not the end of the world. And I could leave this in my hair, but it does recommend on the bottle that if you have finer hair to go ahead and rinse it out. So I am going to thoroughly rinse out this conditioner from my hair before I organize my curl clumps with the Bounce Curl Defining Brush. I'm really gonna push the hair away from my face so that my hair doesn't flop right over my forehead when I flip right side up. And I'm going to pull the hair off the sides of my head really, really thoroughly, kind of angling the hair in the direction I want it to go, and pulling the hair off the back of my neck as well. Turning the brush as I do so that the edge of the brush kind of combs through my hair and defines my curl clumps. I'm going to do that on the other side as well, really pulling the hair off the sides of my head, turning the brush to get those curl clumps defined. That's what's so cool about the Bounce Curl Defining Brush. The edge of the brush kind of has a comb on it and will give you really good curl clumps. Pulling the hair off the back of my neck as well and defining this crown section with the brush. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna give my hair a quick little scrunch, stand up, shake the hair off the back of my head, little swing curl clump action here, giving everything a really good scrunch. I feel like I need just a touch more water in my hair to get my curl clumps looking like I want, so I'm gonna add just a touch of water to my hair and scrunch my hair again, and I'm noticing that the wet frizz that I was having is melted into a curl clump. That is what I want. I really feel good about how these curl clumps are organized now, so I'm ready to lock everything in place with the Bouclème Curl Defining Gel. I think this might be my favorite product of this entire wash day. The fragrance is super natural, which I tend to like. I love the scent of patchouli. It has a medium consistency, medium to runny. It's more on the runnier side. I'm gonna glaze this over and start scrunching it in my hair. It does contain aloe leaf extract, xanthan gum, pomegranate fruit extract, argan oil, linseed oil, coconut oil, bergamot fruit oil, grapefruit peel oil, linden flower oil, and I could go on and on and on. There's a lot of oils in this, but like the nice, smell good hair oils. I'm gonna grab just a touch more product and make sure to apply it to the sides and back of my head. If you ever find that you are lacking definition in a specific spot in your head, there's a good chance that you didn't get any styling product there or scrunch adequately to your roots. So I'm really doing my best here, really taking my time, really scrunching my hair quite thoroughly. This is what the curl clumps are looking like once I have the product applied to my hair. It's looking pretty good. It has minimal wet frizz, good curl enhancement. I'm feeling optimistic, so I'm going to go plop my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And here we are with my hair 100% dry. It diffused pretty quick. It did not take too long. I did diffuse it to roughly 90% dry, and I've been seeing some of your comments. Y'all been asking how long or how I plot my hair. I lately, now that my hair is getting a tad bit longer, I have been traditionally dry plopping my hair, like plopping my hair into a towel and tying it on my head for roughly 10 minutes. Then I take that off and do another quick micro plop, or just scrunch out the excess water with that towel. Then I diffuse. All right, speaking of scrunching, let's scrunch out this crunch. There was just the tiniest little bit of a cast on my hair. It didn't cast real hard. Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see there's some crispy, crunchy bits in the hair, but it's gonna scrunch out really easy. Ooh, that was pretty. Probably shouldn't have broken that one up. Oh my goodness. Interesting, interesting. All right, here are the results with the hair 100% scrunched out and fluffed. I really was concerned with how my hair was feeling after the shampoo and conditioner. It was not my personal favorite. It was not my personal favorite experience using shampoo and conditioner. I don't know what it was about that I didn't just love, but my roots are really clean. My hair is really shiny. I have beautiful curl definition, curl enhancement. The frizz is there. I have just a tad bit of frizz today. Wow. Like, what are you guys doing? Y'all are just like sticking straight up. That's fun. But frizz in other places. Let's take a look at the rest of the hair and not just one spot. There's some frizz, but it's not anything crazy, nothing bad. I'm impressed with how this wash day looks. After I scrunched out the crunch, my expectations were lowered because of how I felt about the shampoo and conditioner, but the styler's really doing it for me. All right, as always, I will be back at the end of the day to show you how these products held up through my wild and crazy mom life, and I'll be back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are at the end of the day. I have gotten several compliments on my hair today, which I am quite happy about. It's a very soft, loose, kind of natural sort of look. It's not my most spirally or ringletty wash day. Gravity did take over a bit, but here's the cool thing. My hair feels really good. You're not supposed to detangle your hair, but I'm doing it to show that my hair is tangle free, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty incredible. Where I live, it is very windy and my hair is very prone to tangling. So it's exceptionally nice products that make my hair feel this good at the end of a very windy day. Let's take a quick look at the back. I will be back in the morning to show you how it held up overnight. I'm going to go take my very tired face to bed now. Good morning. This is different than my usual attire. I may or may not be trying to reinvent myself, or at least my fashion, but that is not what this is about. Let's take a look at the hair and see how day 2 hair is looking. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh bummer. Okay, I'm gonna be fair. Let's get it kind of organized slightly. Hold on. I don't like where that's parted. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I would like for my hair to look slightly better than this today. That would be nice. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attempt a very light refresh. Let's see what that does. Haha! I think this is what we need to do. Okay, that seems to have reorganized things decently well. Now I'm going to add a very thin layer of this Bouclème hairspray that just launched. I'm very excited to play around with this. Oh, it's brand new. There it goes. Oh, it smells so good. I really like the way that smells. Okay. Now I'm going to diffuse this really quick and be back to show you the refreshed results and see if it's better than before. Wow! This may take the cake for best refresh I've ever done. Look at this. That is so much better than it was when I took it down out of the pineapple. All right, let's take a look at the back. Okay, Bouclème. Okay, I see you. I feel really good about this. The frizz is really minimal. It's soft and loose, kind of like it was yesterday. Overall, my experience using this Bouclème One Brand Wash Day has been that while shampooing and conditioning, my hair did not feel great. My hair has felt amazing ever since. It's really light, it's very soft and touchable, and I like the natural fragrances that are in the Bouclème products. Like, I feel so fancy. I don't know why. I smell like an absolute spa. It's lovely. I like it. I feel rather sophisticated. So, those are my thoughts on the Bouclème One Brand Wash Day. Let me know in the comments down below which brand you would be interested in seeing next. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!